Hi everybody, now we'll look at the density heat map. Let's jump directly into my flows. I prepared already one called density. In the file manager section, I'm able to upload my data. In this case, I select the one that is called density sample data, which talks about the SaaS revenue. Once the data has been uploaded and enriched, I jump into the plot dashboard section, and here I create a new plot. I search for density. In this case, I want, of course, the density heat map, and I select it. Now I'm prompted with the type of data that I want to use for this plot, and I continue. Now I select as X column the revenue and as y-axis the deals closed. Finally, as advanced option, I'm able to select the Z value, in this case the NPS score. I'm also able to change the number of X and Y bins. In this case, let's do 100 per each, and everything gets updated. And now we can create the plot. Now that the plot is created, let's change the styling. In this case, I want to select the ocean depths. I select it and apply the colors. The plot is ready to be exported. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media platforms. If you have any doubts, feel free to check out our documentation. Thank you, and see you in the next video.